Hello guys, welcome back to House of Cramel and welcome back to another video. In today's video, you will see me reorganize my closet. Now, if you've been with me for a minute or at least a year, you saw me organize this closet once. Well, I felt like it was time to do it again because I felt like I have an effective system or had an effective system, but things still kept getting super crazy, and I felt like it was time to purge. Y'all, there's so many clothes in my closet that I was not wearing that I literally did not touch from the last time I organized this closet. And so since it's been May, it's probably been close to a year, if it hasn't been a year, since I organized the closet, and since it's been all the time, I felt like I should get rid of it. And when I tell you, it is looking so much better in there, and I feel like I see myself in the closet. Like, I don't see stuff and I don't have to dig through a bunch of stuff and be like, okay, where is me? Where is the stuff that I'm picking up? And also, I've bought a lot of new clothes that fit this new body, this transitioning body, this body that I am learning to appreciate and also continue to approve. But your girl been buying clothes that fit. And honestly, it's been a game changer. So, I mean, I think that's a video for another day. Let's go ahead and get to it. So, this is present me. I have finished the closet. But now we're going to rewind and I'm going to show you where it all started. And then we'll come back. All right, let's go. Alright guys, so here is a look at how things are starting. I have shoes all over the floor, clean clothes in baskets and hanging on my rack. I mean, it is just everywhere. It's evident that my current system isn't working for me, and the biggest reason why is I have too many clothes and I'm not using a lot. So let's get started. First, I'm taking out all of my heavyweight items so that one, I can move around things in the closet a bit easier, and I'm also starting to just kind of sift through things that I no longer want anymore. Next, I'm going to go through all of my shoes, and again, I'm going to take out anything that I haven't worn in a long time and that I don't want anymore, and I'm going to take apart this shoe rack and I'm going to spread it out on the back of the closet because I think it'll be a better use of the space and it'll be a bit more organized. Alright, you can see some shoes are missing, and I went through them and I just took out everything that I'm not wearing and only the shoes that I am wearing, and I've taken down the rack and I've separated those pieces to go across the closet. And I mean, voila, you've got to see this. Bam, just like that. New shoe rack, new organization, and all of my shoes off of the floor and organized in a loose rainbow order. I've also refilled this door rack with my loafers, the flip-flops and sandals, and a very few amount of heels that I do still own. I hope to start back wearing heels one day, but right now I'll rock with the 2 pair that I have. Alright, and here I've gotten everything else organized around the walls and on the floor, and I'm getting all of my clothes that I am keeping back into the closet. I can't wait to explain to you guys how I'm reorganizing everything. Alright you guys, so I have finished my closet. Yeah, you see those black pants hanging out over there. I'm trying to figure out if I want to keep them or if I want to put them in the drawer, because I'm not sure if I want them in the closet. So yeah, they just hanging out. There's nothing else on that rack. But also nothing else over here except an empty box that I need to get rid of. But yeah, so let's do a little walkthrough of the closet. You pretty much seen it for the most part, but so again, here are my shoes. I got rid of a lot of shoes. Yeah, after I had my son, my foot grew a lot, and I went by a lot, I mean a size and a half. And I still feel like I wear multiple shoe sizes, but I just started shopping for new shoes that were comfortable to my feet and that were a bit updated, because I had a lot of old shoes in here too that I just didn't let go of. So those are like my kind of work shoes, flip-flop, sandal collection. I got loafers and stuff in there, and what do you call those things? Slides, yeah. And then we come in over here. So I moved my pants over here. If you recall, my pants used to be down here in this area, but I wanted to pull them up from the lower level because, I mean, honestly, I had the space, and this rack over here didn't have anything on it. So I moved all my pants and shorts over here. These aren't really in any, I guess they're kind of in order. I got some sweatpants right there, the jeans, kind of casual work pants, and then I have shorts right here. And then down here at the bottom, I had a spare shoe rack left over, so I did go through all of my tote bags and my bags, and they're stored, crammed rather, over here. I do want to find a better solution for my bags one day, but they were on the floor, y'all. So yeah, two of my bags aren't in here. They're actually out downstairs in rotation, and I have like some bags inside of bags going here. So it's just my way of containing it. And I'm thinking maybe one day I might get some S hooks and hang them along this rack. So I don't know, we'll see, but for now they are right here. And yep. So since we're already down here, you see I moved all of my shoes here. These are all my sneakers, and then I have my boots, my couple pair of boots over here. So I got currently 4 pair of boots now. It's a pair of Uggs hiding back there, and then some Timbs, and then the 2 pair of boots that I pretty much wore all winter and fall this past year. And then we'll stay on the floor. These are like bathing suits and maternity clothes that I don't want to get rid of just yet, because I may use them again, fingers crossed. And some other like hoodies, like novelty hoodies, like with the college hoodies that I've purchased that I like to keep down here, and I just know where they are and they're easy access. So I may plan to get something a bit more structured both for this and my bags one day, but we may make that move when we actually get this closet professionally done. I don't know how far or near that is in the future, but I do know it's going to happen. Alright, so back up here, I kept this shoe thing just in case I wanted to add some small accessories to it. So right now I got like a small purse in there, another small purse, and a wallet, and then there's a belt, and that's just some shoe stuff. And I kind of don't ever get rid of it because a lot of times I put it back in my shoes. Alright, so I'm gonna pan out here. These are my tops. So what I've done is, before I did have them categorized by color, and I do still like categorizing, let me move back, by color. However, I didn't like digging through like all my really heavy stuff when I'm looking for light stuff, and vice versa. So I decided to separate out my clothing kind of by weight, even season if you will. But because sometimes I dress for the office, I may reach for something that I might typically wear in the winter sometimes. So I got like some jackets and wraps, and sometimes in the house I just want a sweatshirt. So, you know, I don't have them put away, but I decided to separate out. So here I have tank tops, and sleeveless t-shirts, and then I move into my short sleeve t-shirts. Within each category I did still kind of sort by color. It's like a loose Roy Biv. Here are my long sleeve shirts and jackets, kind of like your mid-weight type of thing. And then this is like all my sweaters and heavy stuff right here. And I kept my jackets and added like all my dresses over here. So this is still pretty much the same with a couple more items, because I do have like maybe a few casual dresses, but I felt like they could all just live over here and this could just all be dresses. So yeah, that is the closet. DIY, if you will. I feel like I can for sure keep this up, especially since I've purged so much. I'm going to show you my guest bedroom, because that is where I stage the items I am getting rid of. Some things I may try to sell, because I literally still have the tag on a few things. There are shoes that I bought that I never really got to wear like that, so I may be trying to figure out a way to either sell those or give those to some people that are close to me, because I kind of got to think about, you know, they nice, they kind of new, but if, you know, if nobody wants them, then I will be donating everything. So, but I'm gonna just give you a sneak peek as to what I have in there, just so you get an idea of how much I took out of this closet. Alright guys, that is it. I am clocking out now. But yeah, I hope you're in some way inspired by how much I was able to let go of, and I hope you're also inspired to organize your own space. It does not have to be super expensive to organize your space, and honestly, organizing and planning out your space helps the rest of your life just go smoother, go faster. In any small way I can give myself back a little bit more time, I'm all for it. So yeah, hope you like this video. Hopefully when I do update the bag situation, of course I'll let you guys know, and of course I'm bringing y'all along the way whenever I decide to get this professionally outfitted, get rid of this drawstring. Alright, don't forget to like this video. It really helps my channel, and subscribe so you see the next time I upload a video. You guys have a great day. Bye.